Gorgeous contemporary 5-bedroom cul-de-sac home in an amazing North Andover location, abutting 26 acres of conservation land. This home offers a spacious open floor plan with finished lower level on a lovely acre-level lot. Major additions and updates completed in 2003 include the loft game room overlooking the stunning cathedral ceiling, great room with beautiful hardwood floors, propane fireplace and wetbar perfect for entertaining, plus access to the backyard with charming patio, heated gunite pool, and cabana with half bath. 66 recessed lights throughout the great room and the kitchen, which features granite countertops and maple cabinets, and enjoys tons of natural light thanks to the oversized windows throughout. Additional features include the high-efficiency Anderson windows and 8-foot sliders, the cable rail system staircases to the loft.